Hey, here they are. They just came in. Fluance AI40 powered speakers. So this is a live stream. So live unboxing. I just wanted to share with you guys, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. What I'm planning on doing is I'm just gonna unbox this, show you what's in here, and also probably try to hook them up and see what happens. So I'll see if I can do that. Hopefully I can answer any questions you guys have. So I contacted Fluance because I was interested in these, and I asked them to send me some for review, and gladly they did. So here goes. Let me just go ahead and open this up. Sorry if the quality of the video is not great. I'm live streaming from my Pixel 2 XL, so it's not really up to the quality of my other videos, but have to make some sacrifices here. All right. This aside here. Put this down. Hope you guys can see this okay. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. So first thing we have here is looks like a quick start guide and a manual. Fluance. I found out about this company. They're a Canadian company. I found out about them when I was researching some inexpensive bookshelf speakers, and they had some called the SX6s that were inexpensive that looked really nice. So I didn't end up getting those. I ended up getting the Mica MB42Xs because everybody's raving about them. But yeah, that's how I heard about them. Oh yes, the color combo I wanted. So I was they have three different ones. They have one that I think is black, another one that was like a darker wood, and another one that is this lighter wood and white. Let's pull this out here. Oh man, these look awesome. Okay, let me get the other one out. So yeah, this is a light wood and white. They feel pretty heavy, especially. Actually, they both feel about the same weight. Yeah. I was expecting the one with the amplifier to be a little heavier. Alright, cool. So I'll show you what all this stuff is too. It looks like 3.5 millimeter to RCA cable, speaker wire, AAA batteries, and a remote control. And this, I assume, is going to be the power supply. So this is 19 volt, 31,150 milliamp hour. All right, so 19 volt, about 3,000 milliamps. Wow. Okay, so this is it. Let me make sure that you can see it here. These are it. 1-inch soft dome tweeter. What is that? 5-inch woofer. Wow, the finish on this is even crazy good. Again, these sell for $199 right now. Their signature Canadian flag on the back. So this is what you get back there. You have a Bluetooth pairing option, RCA input, and then I assume, what is that? Banana plugs or a regular terminal to go to the other speaker, and then the power in. On the front, what do we have? We have the IR blaster and volume control here, and it looks like you can push in also, so I'm assuming that you can do something with that. But yeah, really good finish. I think they look awesome. Alright, so here's the other one. Okay. They have little rubber feet on the bottom, you know, that helps with vibration. The logo on the front, yeah, These do not have a grill that I see, so maybe not for somebody with kids, which I do have. So, you know, they're gonna probably poke that tweeter in. And this is the non-powered side, so this doesn't have all that stuff. This is the left. So there it is right there. What else do we have here? Let me just show you the accessories. Okay, batteries. Speaker cable. 3.5 millimeter to RCA. And here is the remote. So let's see what this remote has. So this is what I've been wanting, because I always want to recommend some decent speakers to somebody who has a new TV and they were thinking of getting a sound bar. And the problem is usually they're a little bit, you know, speakers like this, they're either not powered, in which case you need an amp, or they are, what am I trying to say? Sometimes they are powered and they don't have a remote, so you need to be able to change the volume on these from your couch if they're supposed to be for your TV. So it has your power, mute, volume up, volume down, back, forward, play, pause. I'm assuming that's for Bluetooth, because these are Bluetooth. To change the input, I'm assuming this button I'm not so sure of. It's like a black and white, I'm not sure. But treble up, treble down, bass up, bass down. So I'm curious to see what this button is. Guess I'll find out. I think that's pretty much it for right now. I don't see anybody asking questions, so if you have no questions, then I have no answers. 166. Oh, these are just their other products, so okay, that's not gonna help me. What is this here? Quick start guide. I need to know the remote, what that does. RCA, okay, source device. Okay, so Bluetooth pairing. Press the control knob to, okay. Okay. Right, well, okay. Where's the remote option? How do I change the source? How do I change the ball? Oh, that's the LED brightness. That's pretty cool. That's what that button is for. Change the brightness of the LED on the front. So if you're in a dark setting and you don't want that light shining in your eyes when you're watching a movie, then you have an option to turn that down. So that's pretty cool. They thought of a few things. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing of the Fluance AI40s. I'm going to be doing a review very shortly, so look forward to that. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.